Hello and welcome back once again to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to lock your Microsoft Word document file so that no one can even edit the file whenever you leave the file or your machine to someone. So with this tutorial there's no password needed to put on the file, okay? And then again, no one can also do any form of editing, being it changing the font style, adding colors, and then any other thing at all. So let's have a look at this file here. With this file that I've created, you cannot even add anything to it. So let's say I have selected this entire text, and then let's try and then see whether we can just do some form of editing. You see, from the ribbons here, everything is not active. None of them is active here. Okay, that means that this file is what restricted, and then no one cannot edit it. But this one works without a password. Okay, so when I try to do any form of editing, so let me try and then try to type something. So you can see down here that you can't make this change because the selection is what restricted. Okay, so you can't do anything at all. The selection is what locked. So if you want to know how this is done, let's get it rolling. Now let's create a new document. So Control N will give us a new document, and from here let's create a dummy text here. So equal to rand, then let's say 10,3, then so this is used to create a dummy text. Okay, so hit on enter afterwards, and then it will generate a text for you. So to go about restricting your file, just go to the file tab here, and then you hit on what? Info. Hit on info, and then we have some options here: protect document, inspect document, manage document, and what? Show and disable add-ins. Then we are interested in what? Protecting our document or file. So hit on protect document, and then we have some options here: always open read only, encrypt with password. No, but with the kind of document you don't want to put password on it. Okay, so restrict editing, restrict access, add digital signature, and mark as final. So we want to what? Restrict editing. So just hit on restrict editing here, and then at the right hand side here we have some tab open here. Then we have formatting restrictions, then you have to check that box, and then editing restrictions, then you have to check that box as well. And then again we have to come here and then check this box as well. That means that everyone cannot edit this kind of file. Then when you are done with that, just come here and then hit on yes, start enforcing protection. But before, let's see something here. You see, I can type, and then what I'm typing is just adding to the text. Okay, so when you are done like this, just select everyone and then hit on yes, start. Then you can choose to put password on it or not, but yes, it will work. The file will be protected. Okay, so just hit on OK, and then we are done with that. So you could see, let's try and then type something. Okay, now so let's try and then see whether we can add some text to this. So this is the insertion point. You can see the insertion point is here, but I can't type anything. Whatever I'm typing, you can see from down here that you can't make this change because the selection is what? Locked. Then let's try whether the tabs here, they are also active. So nothing here is active, so all of these are inactive. So if you want to make it active again, you just come here, down here we have stop protection, and then you hit on stop protection. So now let's see whether we can type anything here. So you can see whatever that we are typing is now making effect. Okay, so that is that. If this works for you, just hit on the subscribe button to subscribe to the channel for more.